What are you doing? Oh, you're beauty. Oh, look at them big eyes. Well, goodness, you're talking.
You tell them about it?
It says I'm keen and I just got changed and my outfit got changed.
Are you telling them about it, Max?
You tell us. Wow. That's a big talking. Big talking.
Tell them all about it.
Big talking. Yeah, look at your happy little face. Yeah, have to send this to Grandma's, huh? Yeah, have to send them. Make it say hi. Oh, you like this camera, don't you? You think that's funny. And then what happened? Daddy got your legs. What's Daddy doing? Yeah, let's show you moving so much. Look at you moving.
That's your story, huh?
Look at you
Is
just
that
moving.
your story, huh?
Oh, you're just a little camera guy, huh? Yeah. Really? Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye, peoples.